The Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Kenya is seeking collaboration with county governments with a view to professionalize financial resources management in the devolved units. The institute is also calling on county governments to appoint professionals in key economic and revenue departments to ensure taxpayers' money is prudently spent.
Several counties, including Kisumu, Samburu, and Kisii, have entered into a collaboration with the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Kenya to professionalize public financial management. ICPAK Council member FCPA Georgina Malombe says devolution remains a key anchor of bringing development closer to the people and is crucial to have in place proper accountability structures to see loopholes of revenue laws.
We engage a lot in terms of budgeting, financial management, and educating them on PFM matters. So I think the greatest milestone that we've seen with counties is that embracing of professionalism, and we've seen the revenue departments, the various key departments in finance and economic planning be led now by professionals.
Speaking in Embu after meeting with Deputy Governor Kenyo Mogo and Assembly Speaker Josiah Dhiriku, Malombe said there was a lot of ground to be covered to enhance accountability.
Today's world is about collaboration, and some of the areas he's talked about is embracing professionalism, even as we continue discharging the mandate of public accountability.
Mugo welcomed the partnership, saying embracing professionalism in public financial management will greatly enhance service delivery.
Tumesikizana kama sa accountant wote ambao wako hapa Embu lazima pia wakuwe registered ndio wakuwe katika hiyo professional body. Na kama tuna task force ambao tutakuwa tunatengeneza hapa moving forward, we shall be involving them. Na ile committee yote ambayo inaguzana na maneno ya pesa tutakuwa pia tunawahusisha.
Edna Murungi reporting for Lunchtime News.